Welcome to Maths for YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss class 9 chapter 2 exercise 2.1. Question number 1, identify rational and irrational numbers. Part 1 is under root 3. Rational numbers and what are irrational numbers? First we will discuss. Rational numbers are those which are in P by Q form, and irrational that are not in P by Q form. So irrational under root 3, it is not in the P by Q form, it is irrational number. Then just see 1 by 6 part 2, it is rational number because it is in P by Q form. Then part number 3, that is pi 2.22 by 7 or 3.14. That's not in P by Q form, so it is irrational. Simply you write irrational. In paper it will be coming in like this, that MCQs they will ask that whether it is rational or irrational. Then question number 4, 15 by 2, it is in P by Q form, it is rational number. Then 7.25, it is also in P by Q form because when you remove the point it will be in P by Q form. That's rational number. Then under 29 is also irrational number because it is not in the P by Q form. It's very easy. Welcome to Maths for YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. Today we will discuss exercise 2.1, question number 2, that convert the fractions into decimal form. So in this way you're going to divide them by putting the divisor and divide it. Not 25 and 70. Unit cannot be divided. So what you will do, 0.0. You are going to take point. Now if you just see 25, 6 hours. So 25 and multiply by 6. Simply if you don't know 5, 6 are 30, either you calculator also. But if you don't have a calculator, so also you can solve the question. Sometimes people forget it, so 150. And if you do 25 7th hour, it would be little bigger. Just see, it will be 7, so that would be bigger. So we'll have 6, 150 is equals to minus, and answer is 20. Then again 0 here also input. Then if you do 8, second is 8, it is 40, 60 and 200. For 200, so 8 here and 200, so it is equals to. When you got the question in the paper, you have to solve them this method because it contains the marks of this when it got into short question. When it is an objective, then you can have your calculator and to solve it, but in your short question you have to solve it. Now 0 point simply cannot be divided, you are going to put point. So 8, how much? 50, it is not. You know that if it doesn't come in the table of 8, so the lesser is 8, 6 are 48. So this is 22, sorry, 2. Then you're going to take 0 here and 0 here, 20 would be there. Then 8 2s are 16, then 4 and then again 0, 40, then 8 5s are 40. So this is the answer. So in this method, you're going to convert the fractions into decimal. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths.